1 o'clock, 2 o'clock,
3 o'clock Mac.
4 o'clock, 5 o'clock,
Vitamac.
6 o'clock, 7 o'clock.
Get the Vitamac.
Yeah,
Mac.
She call me last night, she walk into
My door.
And when she take it out, she couldn't take no more. Make it your Mac tonight.
She get the Mac tonight. She get the Mac tonight.
Whoa! Mickey up on the bed, Mickey up
On the floor.
Oh, when me check it out, she couldn't take no more. Mickey your Mac tonight.
She get your Mac tonight.
Mickey your Mac.
Let them know the weather what we are facing right now.
Yeah man, no joke about it man.
No joke.
Everything fully active like how the weather fully active.
Yeah.
Beryl, them say reach. We don't want she reach, just tell her turn back and go where she come from. And see it, cause we not up in a disaster right now. I know about them theater.
Yeah.
One time.
One bad MC.
Fully active.
You know how the thing goes. So them man pick sweet up in the rain. Then I start on a big sweet.
That's not the vibe of the kid.
Breeze is coming. Hey, that way say 1 tree gone. Alright, cartel. Cartel, the storm start well. Cartel, low. Look there. Guys, look at this. Root out.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Alright guys, so this is the hurricane. You asked me for my flashlight? You probably have the country never sell them. And I know everything I'll come up in the country, the hurricane. Actually, no.
You have any flashlight inside here? That'll be any flashlight?
You're not getting anything. Oh, you want to flash banning thing?
Flashlight. No flashlight. Give me a foot of flash band there.
Yes, sir. Alright guys, so this is before the hurricane. You know, this video is the building up. Hurricane is a couple hours from now, and not even in Christmas time the place is so busy. Like literally every store, every hardware, everywhere is full. So I'm gonna try to get myself 2 flashlights, you know, because I'm saying we're not gonna have no lights for like 2 days. But traffic, hardware, everywhere is full. Supermarkets sell out, everything sell out. Like literally, like just look at it, it's just traffic everywhere. This local hardware, wow. So guys, so today is the day before, like a couple of hours before the hurricane hit Jamaica, and trust me, everyone is out buying up, like look, zincs, you know, nails. Like there's so much stuff leaks selling, you know. So I'm bringing you this video today, you know, for you to see what is going on. Look at the traffic going that way. Boss, where's the hardware? Right there. Auto. Wholesale. What's the hardware though? Lock. Hardware? Lock. No. That's the plastic. No, we're not at that one there. Them say we come over here, so. I must have said them at that glass. Gosh. So. I'm gonna sell flashlight. No flash. Which one we can get one for buy? Huh? I'm looking at flashlight. Auto limited. I'm not gonna sell it. Wanna sell flashlight in here?
No, baby. Okay. Everybody there, everywhere looking at. And it just have an enemy just go. I don't know, everyone will think of will sell flashlight.
Yeah.
From morning. One more them sell flashlight, they sell up on Sunday.
Flashlight sell up from Sunday?
That's what they say.
Wow. I'm gonna work with some LED light. Guys, them sell flashlight sold out from Sunday. Like wow, like literally things is sold out. Like this is one of the best times to have a store here in Jamaica, especially doing hardware stuff. Like let's look at the traffic. And it's early time in the day. You don't find this time so early and you got so many traffic. Like everyone is buying material, who's buying stop leaks, zinc, cements, you name it, like literally everything everywhere. Today is the day, so them say flashlights sold out everywhere. So today is the day. Like I'm telling you guys, like literally, let me put on my seatbelt right now because it's madness. Driving is madness, everything is madness. Look at traffic coming this way because I'm going the opposite way. So right now, them said flashlights sold out from Sunday. Imagine flashlights sold out from Sunday. And like we're a couple of hours away from the storm to hit. And the whole place is busy, chaos, you know. Everyone running up and down, trying to get this at the last minute. So the first time I've seen Jamaica this busy. I used to think people is crazy for Christmas, but hey, now them hardware is smiling right now. The hardware birthday just came true. I'm not even lying. Hardware birthday just came true. Well, happy birthday, hardwares. You know, today's your birthday. You know, happy birthday, hardwares. Happy birthday, hardware. Today is your birthday. Like you're selling like crazy. Look at this traffic everywhere. You cannot get rid of it. Like days. Kills. Where can I get flashlight? I just need 2 flashlights. Load up with batteries. Cause you know the candle not gonna work. LED lights not gonna work last for long because them say we might have lost electricity. Probably there's gonna be no light. Them said for 2 days. 2 days, no light. So them sell flashlight? No flashlight again. Every hardware sell out on flashlight. None again. No flashlight again. I give up. I'm looking for flashlight. There's none. Well, blessed love, guys, welcome. So we are back now. As you can see, the road is busy, you know, like literally. Yes, I got 2 flashlights, you know, so I'm gonna work with the 2 flashlights that I get. So I'm here in Trenchtown, and I'm also here with a subscriber as well as also an extended family, you know, the thing that also a businessman. He's an herbal man as well too, you know. And you know this herbal man, it goes out. So right now, today is the day for the man them, you know.
Yeah.
Today's the day for the man. You will say yeah.
Yes, man. You don't tell already, man. You take my one, but Beryl said yes, alright. Just take 3 months.
Yeah.
You can smell it, everything, you know.
Yeah.
Honey.
Alright then. Alright, without
honey, weed, all of them things.
all of them things there. Alright.
But later, I take a shot at my one.
Alright guys, so basically, you know, it's a herbal, it's like a herbal tonic, you know, it's a powerhouse, it's energy and everything, you know. So we should get the money here.
Yeah man, you know. By later. Yeah man. Have the smell of my life, man, you know. We're not ready yet. So by the time we're done, you know.
Alright,
you know.
so guys, so we have the herbal man here, you know. We got the founder of this, you know. We're gonna make him explain to you, you know, to tell you what it's about. So gentlemen, as I say, we have the contact information if you're interested. It's just like, you know, we invited what's his name, Snagapus, you know, and the herbal man from Arthur Tree and the herbal man from Outages, you know. So now we have another herbal man here, but this one is for the powerhouse, the stamina daddy, you know. So if you all the gentlemen them listen out for that one, you know. Anywhere there at all, anywhere in the world right now you are, you know, so you can get contact. And we have no other than Vitamac, you know, in the building himself.
Yeah man, welcome. Welcome, as Kino would say.
Yes.
Welcome to Vitamac.
Yes.
All natural.
So this is all natural, guys.
All natural.
So as you can see, energy, stamina, the government is says for men's sexual power. So gentlemen them, you know, the thing goes already. So explain to them what I want now.
So the Vitamac consists of honey goat weed. If you go on Google, Google will tell you it's natural Viagra, right? And you know, honey goat weed, the energy and virility also.
Yeah.
You have honey, dates, basically the Africa stone dog.
Yeah.
Dates is like give you real stamina and power, right? Give it that power. Then you have the ginseng. I think everybody know about ginseng. Ginseng give you stamina, right? And of course we have panganut. We call it the correct name pomegranate for those who overseas. Yeah, pomegranate now. Panganut, also nicknamed by Google natural Viagra. We not dash red. Panganut skin, nothing a panganut you throw away. Blend it up and drink it. No add no sugar, no nothing. Just drink it, good for you. Black seed, Haile Selassie say black seed cure everything except death. Right?
Okay, that's a black seed where Selassie talk about.
Yeah. So most people know the black seed oil.
Oil,
the seed more potent.
Okay.
The seed is really more potent.
Yeah.
Man, I mean.
So Selassie said that cure everything but death.
Except death, yeah man.
So everything is more, it's good for the health then.
Yeah, good for your health, good for your, you know, diabetes. A whole bunch of, if you go on YouTube, you'll see 100 and odd benefits of taking black seed.
Okay.
Right? Yeah, man.
So basically this thing is good for like health wise, you know, and it give you stamina same way.
Yeah,
so
it's energy throughout the day. You may feel lethargic, you can take a half teaspoon of the Vitamac, right? And you just feel energetic.
Okay, so instead of drinking the Boom or the Red Bull or the Lucozade or the coffee, you can have this instead.
Yeah.
Okay.
You give it energy without the crash. So at the end of the day you don't feel, you know when you feel lethargic.
Yeah. Right? So it's good basically guys. So basically guys, this is good all around. You understand? And for the meal them, you know, it's extra powerhouse for you. You understand? Like you know, so you know, so for the matter, everything is good for the health wise. And you say about blood sugar, you say about the pressure as well.
So there are a few disclaimers. If you have high blood pressure, high cholesterol, diabetes,
it's good.
We suggest you stay away from it. But you have people who still go ahead and take it.
Yeah.
So we're not making any of those claims that some of the individuals, example, somebody with a high blood pressure would say it regularizes the blood pressure. Again, the black seed and some of the ingredients will have that effect on you.
Okay.
Right? So again, you can get the Vitamac at www.vitamacEnergy.com. That's www.vitamacenergy.com. Right? In Jamaica, we deliver island wide. In the US, you can order it online, you get it. We have a distributor in UK, it's in Turks and Caicos, right? And the phone numbers 876-898-6570. That's 876-898-6570 and 954.
So 954-825-1348.
Yes. Right? That's 954-825-1348. Again, we deliver island-wide in Jamaica, right? And it's a small bottle, 1 ounce bottle, consists of 6 teaspoons. Some individuals say they get 10 to 12 teaspoons from it, right? And
so we're talking about like the small teaspoon, okay? You know, some people mix up the spoon from teaspoon.
Exactly, with the tablespoon.
You the tablespoon.
So it's really as the small teaspoon. So you don't really need that much, right? And 1 or 2 hours before activity, and you're good to go, right? Many testimonials around on the website, and the individuals who have taken the product, right? And
so they can go and see on the website they can see the ratings and everybody with. So literally like for sports people who play football and do running, and then it's also good for it as well too.
Yeah, like myself, I mean, I constantly playing football, as you can see.
So if you're gonna play a football match at 4 o'clock in the evening, and now it's 12 o'clock.
Yeah, 2 hours before you take a half a teaspoon, trust me.
I'll be running up and down like nothing.
Up and down like a stallion. And the tagline for Vitamac is the choice of stallions.
Yes.
Yeah. So
I will be running up and down. So I know me as a man I play football, So the extra stamina are good right now, because it's summertime, and summer now the sun is really hot and it burns you quicker. So with this now, give it that boost. Give it that boost. So guys, the number will be on the screen, and trust me, a lot of people testify to it, and tell you it's 100% accurate, at what he said. And it's all natural. It's no chemical added, nothing at all. It's all natural, from seeds, and honey. So it's all natural. And tell you, you just not gonna put out about honey, goat weed, and all that stuff, So it's all natural, 100% herbal, natural. So it's all herbal. So the reason why I call it gel is because the honey will give it that base, right?
Yeah, give the honey and the base, give it that gel-like, base-like thing. And also it have it in a gummy. Gummy form. I mean, I showed you a gummy earlier. Right? So we have it in the gummy form.
So with the gummy now, you can just like chew it like a chewing gum?
Yeah, you just chew it like a regular gummy and swallow it.
Okay.
So if you go up on a move and you're not sure what's going to happen, you just put one gum in your pocket and good to go.
Okay, so you can work with the gummy.
And as you say, this bottle is small also, so you can just have it, travel with it, just in case. Yeah.
You see it there? You see it there, guys? So I'm going to say, the man them, I know you probably sit down beside your wife and you want to say, you want to call, but not afraid for call, Step one side and tell us, so come your wifey and make that phone call, and so what about man who 85, 90?
So we have, I think the oldest have known that I've taken it is a 72-year-old guy.
72?
Yeah, and, here in Jamaica. And again, you have man 69.
Same way.
Yeah, so give them energy throughout the day still.
Yeah.
They're still ready. They feel take off 20, 30 years off of them life. And bad again,
Okay. Yeah. So basically then, if them wife already give them the crown, and the crown is right here at the side. So when them take it, the crown, you get the full crown.
Yeah, you can't even leave the house. Yeah,
and get the full crown.
Permission to leave the house, And the product has been, moving real fast.
Yes.
Yeah, the Jamaican people and globally diaspora
Yes, sir.
have really catch on to it. Asians, I mean, it's selling, Asians are
Asian. So basically it's in Asian and it's in Turks and Caicos.
UK, on a small scale, one distributor, right?
We're in UK, we're in the UK.
London.
London, okay, we're in London.
I can't give it exact address
Okay.
off the top of my head, but it's going to be on the website,
Mhm.
right? And then US, most people online.
Yeah.
In Fort Lauderdale, we have a few distributors, local distributors.
Okay, okay.
Rainbow Variety Store in Lauderdale.
Yes, yes.
We have 3 locations in West Palm Beach. But again, the US is primarily online, so most of the sales in the US are online.
Okay, okay. So basically it's reachable anywhere you are, you know, definitely in Europe and also in the USA. So if you're in the USA, you can get bother to get someone to bring it up for you. You can contact the same number. Is it the same number which is the 954? Right, that same number.
1348.
Yes.
That's in the US. And again, you can go on the website www.vitamacenergy.com. Go on the website within 3 to 5 business days. It's at your doorstep, right? And again, women have ordered it. You know, a lot of women. We have a lot of female customers.
Yes.
Right?
So if
in the US, it's primarily a 4-ounce bottle, a bigger bottle.
Oh, it's a bigger bottle. Okay. So basically, and if you're in Jamaica, we also have the Jamaica contact number here for you as well too. You're gonna also
876-898-6570.
Yes. So you're gonna also see the number running across the screen. You know, if you're not seeing it clearly, and the website is there. So here's the website: is www.vitamacenergy.com. You know, so see it there. Stay energized. You know, Jamaica drink a lot of water, same way. You know. It's a good idea, you know. I'm like, so what makes you come up with this idea, you know?
I mean, a lot of products out there that don't work.
True, true.
So they do a lot of marketing and fancy thing and get you going. And when you buy the product, it don't work. So.
And then again, it's not even about the product, it's about the use we have, that what the ground provide, what we're not making use of it.
Yes, exactly.
You know, we tend to go to what the pharmacist is giving us to say, oh, use this.
So it's easier for pop-up pill.
Yes, and the natural thing which is come from the foods, you know, the fruits and everything, it's there right in front of our eyes.
Yeah, I agree with you totally.
You know, it's there.
There's a thing called clove. I don't know if you know clove.
No.
Most people use it in cakes and stuff.
Okay.
Even if you eat clove, 2, 3 little cloves a day, change your whole chemical, sexual behavior.
Okay.
Yeah, man. Clove.
And the panganut, if you eat panganut, where about the seed? What you say about the seed of the panganut?
The whole panganut, the seed, the skin, everything.
Yes.
So why do I just eat the seed and then save the skin, and when panganut out of season, I just blend the skin.
Blend it.
Yeah, man. And just drink it, nothing added.
Nothing added at all.
And black seed. I suggest people have a bag of black seed with them in the house at all times.
At all times.
You can just boil a teaspoon, add some ginger.
Yeah.
Really total cleansing of your body.
Okay.
Totally different.
So everything in this bottle, guys. So everything in this bottle is all from what the ground provides. It's all natural, you know, natural. No chemical added, nothing at all. You know, so trust me, you cannot go wrong, you know, because remember, you know, this is all vital, whereas vital, you know, with the honey base. So the honey and the dates, that's what gives that gelness of it, the thickness of it, you know, that's what he's talking about. Open one, boom. So then show them what's inside of it. Look.
Open that one.
That one there. So this bottle is a sample. So that's a sample. Okay. Yes. So just like that. So right through the day, you know, you're packed with energy.
Yeah, fully active, you know.
Fully active
all day.
Hey.
Yeah.
Catch up on the football field, them can't hold you.
Yeah, man.
So you can just have it exactly like that from the teaspoon. That's how thick it is.
Yeah, that's how thick it is, you know.
Don't waste it.
Alright, boss.
Don't waste boom thing at all, you know. You cannot waste it, you know. You waste it. So it's all natural, you know. So you know, so impact with energy now for the day, you know, I will give thanks. So you know, we go make a walk so we can show you a little bit of Trench Town, you know.
Definitely.
Hopefully we can make you see rows if he's on the next side. You know, so alright guys, so as we say, clock in, you know, make a phone call. You know the thing goes already. So put on your full crown. If your crown is off, You know, and you link him, the crown is full.
And if you don't have a crown, you know?
She will give you one.
And if you have a full crown, you still want to maintain.
Yeah. So if you feel like you lack energy, you know, during the day, you want a little energy to go along, you know. It's all natural because even when I was in England, we used to eat the DSM so much.
Yeah.
You know?
It's different, right?
Yes.
Yeah, man. Dates give us stamina, man.
It's very sweet and thick. If you just eat that and just dash with the seed.
Yes.
You know, so I used to eat dates a lot. It's like raisin, but it's not raisin. But it's like raisin.
Yeah.
You know, so it's good. So right now, so now you're on 3rd Street. You know, this is 3rd Street, you on. You know. Chunks. You have the stamina for you, you know.
Yes, I.
Natural, you know.
Ready.
Yeah? Natural, you know. See the doctor himself in the place.
Yeah. I see him down here so too long, but you never really know what him is about.
Yes.
You want the bread, I know it. 1 teaspoon, 1 or 2 hours before activity. Yeah, man.
Trouble.
Can just read up on the ingredients.
Yeah, man, I'm going to do that right.
Trouble. Hey.
Right,
So if you go play football, you know, say, hold up a goal like a score. Lushan. So rolling through the zinc fences of the trenches, you know, we're in Trenchtown. You know, Vitamac in the building, you know, who's also extended family. You know, so we always promote anything that's good. You know, we don't promote nothing that's not good. So everything has to be good. I will give thanks and appreciate him as our extended family. Is the first time in Trenchtown?
Yeah, man.
Or you roll through all the time?
Yeah, man. We play ball at Charlie and everything.
Okay. Oh, so you have a rival then called Trenchtown used to play over, you know, 7 times. You're on Charlie Smith, a trouble over complex.
Yeah, man. Then Olympic yard and jungle buff.
Problem.
Yeah.
Problem in the building. Sure.
Just like that, you go on the next road.
Yeah, just like that, you're on the next street,
Yeah.
which is 4th Street. Mr. Rosa? Okay.
If you have a sample for Rosa.
Yes. I feel have a sample for you. Boom, I check if him around there. Because this is the Wow Chef project right there, so over there work. You see where I work from. So everywhere in this place, you always have a back road.
Yeah.
You know? Everything have a back road.
And I cut through.
And a cut through. Because
right
otherwise, you know, you have to walk all the way down from the end of the street
Yeah.
to go on the next street. So we just shorten it each time.
So
you know?
everybody allow you to just run through the yard and
Yeah, man. These are all back windows, you know. You know how they build the house them. So
Yeah.
these are back windows. So these are us backyard we're walking through.
see there.
So it's more like a easy access to the next street. And these are the normal the Trenchtown bathroom them.
Okay.
You know, okay, you know, like 8 rooms and these blocks.
And then
And yeah, and for the 8 rooms them have to come outside and share the bathrooms.
yeah.
You know, because none of these houses they really build with any bathroom.
I saw in one of your videos where somebody that build a bathroom for them house.
Yeah, so that's why you see we start to build a chef one on his house. You know, so him don't have to come outside to come all the way around here, so you know.
Especially in the middle of the night.
Exactly, because a lot of people have experienced late at night want to come out, but the place under siege with gunshots,
Yeah.
you know, so them can't come outside. So them tend for us get the black bag,
Yeah.
you know. If them now the chimney, them get the black bag,
Yeah.
you know, and just seal it outside. You know, imagine you walk past and you see one black bag fly over the house top from one house top to another house top. Yeah, because they don't have no ways to go and dispose it. You know, the manual them lock up and everything. So this is what it is like in Trenchtown. So that's why I grew up come see this as a little child. You know, so even though we try to build a bathroom in our house as a youth, but we realize a lot of people don't have this access for something in their home.
Yeah.
You know, so for you to live all the way in your house, the front room or out of the heat, come out all the way to come and use a bathroom. So many people using it once. You know, so it's not really hygienic way that I really want for your experience, you know. Yeah. Everyone there? Alright, so and you see this now is the outside pipes.
Yeah.
But normally them that use. The whole black I use this, you know. And this 2 pipe here. So you have to come out of your house as well to come wash up your plate or do anything you want to do.
Wash your clothes,
Same.
clothes and everything.
Everything, you know.
Burn on them.
Yeah man, so these one abandoned, you know, so this is what it's like. So you know what years this there right here, sir?
Yeah.
You know what years? You know, same with them build them just like this. You know?
Strong, same here though.
Yeah. Been walling up, you know?
Yeah.
Been walling up man, so. He might come, you call him?
Wow, Lord.
Rosa. Rosa. So this is
Chris. Black seed, increase sperm count, anti-inflammatory, boost immunity, and the main thing it relieve headache and migraines. Black seed, right? And dates known as a natural aphrodisiac. Dates is like a big raisin, right? Known as a natural aphrodisiac, improve sexual stamina and boost energy. Regular consumption of dates increase sperm count and motility, and it's anti-inflammatory. I know about honey already, but honey strengthen erection, boost memory, improve performance, increase energy, increase sperm quality and sexual response. Everybody knows about the ginseng, Korean ginseng, improve muscle relaxation, increases blood circulation. I would say probably a year, but in Jamaica now we just start push it, right? Yeah.
So they were like, say, it might be US.
Market them first, you know, with the whole pack road there. But you don't know, everybody at yard feel like them a shatter, so we say, come, shatter them, yeah.
That's our target practice.
You feel you're in trouble.
There was a target practice. Anyway, there was guys, there was something else. You know, there was what they say happened a while ago. In a house.
I'm also pray for a Vitamac.
Yeah.
It's like my prayer just come true.
Go true.
I want the stamina you come in place. I don't know. How many if you tell you man? The sexual power.
Oh, the stamina was something. You can have to start shooting there still. Yeah, make it go out with them vibes. You know, yeah man. Hey, man say every time was a dream and the dream comes true. You know. Hey, so when I say Psalms?
Yeah.
I was the Lord is my shepherd. You know, you get the Vitamac that you did want. You know.
I pray for this thing, man.
From morning,
sexual power, rock hard, stamina,
it's the natural thing.
Okay.
You know, because Panganat, as I explained to you, Panganat and anything that natural Viagra, them thing there. So that's what I'm about, the natural thing. So everything is what the ground provide. It's not
energy,
that
vitality, stamina.
Yes.
Overall.
So these are for the people that will go natural, health way, not the chemical way.
Okay.
You know, because you know them want to give man heart attack, you know.
Yeah.
You know?
Tagline, the choice of stallions, you know? Vitamac, the choice of stallions. So we're up on Sun City, and we have touched a couple other radio stations.
Alright.
Yeah man, so it's all good.
You go fight already?
No,
Yeah.
we just gone last week, so I give them 2 weeks, maybe add soaking before we go talk and thing.
Because the advert I just sent to me, what them do. Yeah. Came sell me last night. Yeah, me have it on my phone playing.
Okay, but wait, my leg is too
Yeah.
some man
So,
firing.
I'm gonna play it. So I this I got here and hold on, let's see it here. So this is what you're gonna hear from Sun City.
Victor, is another 6 that?
Listen.
Yes, sir. My confidence up on the board and in the bedroom. Ever since I started take Vitamac. Yes, the new all-natural male energy supplement can get your game up to win up.
Vitamac, the choice of stallions. Call 876-898-6570 or 954-825-1348. Available at select outlets island-wide or online at www.vitamacenergy.com. Vitamac delivers island-wide.
Hell and wild. Vitamac.
Tell you want to launch attack.
Yes. No stumbling block. No stumbling block at all. Link up the Vitamac, you know. True ingredient, man. And them start play so you see something ready for going in there, so
Okay. Can't go somewhere else.
yeah, cause the music there. Mac, when you
Last night walking to my door. When me done with her, she couldn't take no more. It's your fight for more.
Hey, whoa, whoa, then she run through the door. Hey, I don't want to go work with. I don't want to go. Yeah, you ready? I want to ready now. Got you.
1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, Vitamac, 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock, Vitamac, yeah, Mac. She come last night, she walk into my door. And when me done with her, she couldn't take no more. Me give you up on the bed, upon the floor. And then me tell her that me a go give her the score. This a Mac tonight.
Vitamac. 1, 2, 3. Vitamac.
4, 5, 6.
She get the Vitamac.
Me give her Mac.
The Vitamac. She get the Mac till they need them knock. She get the Mac till they knock. Oh no.
Vitamac. Me name Rose them say lucky back.
Hey.
If you want more, me give Vitamac. You get the Mac.
You get the Mac. They get the Mac. Vitamac.
Energy, stamina. Oh, you don't know.
See that the powerhouse, the Vitamac. They know.
I eat this man. Vitamac, energy, stamina. The gummy piece. The girl them with the gummy piece.
Yeah. So them say if you have the half a crown and you want the full crown, you get the Vitamac. You get the whole crown. That the Vitamac. You see that Vitamac, stamina knock, when the door are locked.
No disturbance.
Yeah.
No disturbance. Vitamac, the energy, stamina, gummy paste.
Oh, the song go.
1 o'clock, 2 o'clock,
3 o'clock Mac.
4 o'clock, 5 o'clock,
Vitamac.
6 o'clock, 7 o'clock.
Get the Vitamac.
Yeah,
Mac.
She come last night, she walk into
My door.
And when she take it out, she couldn't take no more. Make it your Mac
tonight. She get the Mac tonight. She get the Mac tonight. Whoa!
Make it up on the bed, make it up
On the floor.
Oh, when me check it out, she couldn't take no more. Make it your Mac
tonight. Yeah, Mac tonight.
Make it your Mac
Vitamac. Whoa! Hey, rock to the rock. Vitamac. Benjamin, you need that Vitamac.
Vitamac until you need them
Mac till you need tonight. Vitamac. Vitamac. Rose. You still like crackhead? Yeah. It come like him stop broke egg, you know. It's not answer at all.
Benji, a rock, bro.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Benji like that one. You like that one, Benji? Yeah. We have the Mac Vitamac here, you know. We have the booster to the rooster. Yeah. Rocket shooter.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes, I. And you have to ask. Not once, but twice.
No, I'm going to go eat crab now.
You get a rocket shooter. Yeah, man. So, Rose, are you there? Shaggy Paul. It's a button down. Yeah. Yeah. No, malata. Trouble. Cheers. Yeah, man, everything good, man. Yeah. Everything done already. Yes, guys, so you know the thing go. Vitamac in the building.
Next week I'm strong, you know, 11th of July, so I'm going to be on the ground, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, genius, man, you know already. Settings, man, you see?
Yeah.
Next week I'm strong, so you know, chicken mac soup, I'm going to left on the chicken mac, you know. You see me, I say? Love and a blessing, of course.
Yeah.
But there, I'm on the full respect, see?
That's the wow, chef, you know, I will give thanks and appreciate your fasting
Man, I
show.
appreciate it, you know.
You know, big up yourself, poor man, general thing. Anyway, thing,
Everything starts from the grassroots, you have to always come back.
yes, I.
Come back to the roots.
Anyway, thing, man, Trenchtown Rock, you know.
Yeah, man.
Your Bob Marley saying, can't turn him back.
Yeah.
So how can I turn my back on Trenchtown?
Yeah, man, and the towel, you know, Olympic, the army towel, you know.
Yes, I.
Yeah. So just push the thing globally.
Yeah.
From city to city, town to town,
Town to
garrison
town.
to garrison. You understand?
Yes, I. And that's the thing,
Yeah, man, we appreciate the link, you know.
yeah, man. So, guys, I will give thanks, you know, our excellent family passing through, rolling through, and Mr. We are helping promote the good, you know, and the business that he's doing. So, I hope you guys make a phone call and give him a support, you know, and show the love. Check out the website, you know the thing already. Eh?
So a follow-up video, you know.
Yeah.
Have some banner and things.
Alright then, I'll roll through with it.
Yeah, man, give
You know the thing, man, I will give thanks every time, man. Yeah, man, big up every time.
Blessings.
Yeah, man. See the man, just make them know you're going to move then.
Yeah, man. Bless up Yeah, man. Bless up from guy.
Yeah, man. That. Alright. Good morning. Well, guys, you know, so right now I'm the weather watchman. Yeah, so you know, so I'm the rescue team. You have to have rescue teams out. So the rescue team, oh look, people button down. You know, it's not normal, so you know, it's in the morning here. So it's not so hectic yet. People button down, so good morning. So it's not the intense weather as yet, you know, so people are prepared and ready for this weather, you know. People button down, you know, shelter down. So now we are the weather watchman morning here, so we're gonna keep you updated. Oh, that mango. Hurricane morning.
I see some people going on camera right now. My foot and my mango.
Well, water commission out. Hold the water and say we deal with it. Later. The back down already.
If you complain, say Lodi, I want no water stay and now move, and him say I'm going to feel bad as them and reach. At least I go Lodi, I go one.
Yes, the leader. 999 911.
Emergency service.
Emergency. Anyway, that's like this. Where? Oh, here.
Next one, the big
Stringy.
and the fence.
Stringy. What's up on the main road?
Come up.
Yeah? I want to the goal stay. Oh, the goal go to stay now. How the gully good I look. You know, it's gully in Seaview Garden. It's easy to come over, you know, so easy. And look how water and it come over, but the intense man not start, the intense part not start yet. Oh, that one there. So taxi still around now?
The one over there, right.
Oh, that one there. Okay, morning quiet now. Taxi still around now? I want to think the taxi man, they don't leave it alone, you know.
I leave it alone.
I'm the rain a fall. Or outside. You see the street is clear, the only car will just pass. Imagine, who could it be but a taxi? See a truck there. And we have weather watchman leader coming through. He's gonna test the sky and tell you what's the sky is like today. What we expect. It's falling down.
Well, we could take a look on the gully, man.
The goal not really come up yet.
You have to give them the before and the after, you know.
Yeah. So I go on before and then we know what's going on after. See the breeze, eh?
So I can say the road clean and pretty for now.
For now.
Yeah.
For now. See? Yo. How are your foot? Oh. Yeah, so people still out for now. Okay, see the trees them is barely blowing now, guys. It's not too many, but the intense part now reach away like literally a couple hours away, you know, from a big impact. So now this is the before the big impact, you know. So see if you can have a goal where always come over whenever it rain at least, you know. Imagine the storm or the whole of this place is gonna be like literally. If we get a boat, you never build any leader.
All the boss can swim.
They say all the boss can swim. We never build any boat. As him says the only boss can swim. So make us see who I go swim. But I can swim. I have my life jacket back at home. I'll chapaling, sell out. You ever see this yet? Only if I did, I was thinking I'll just buy some chapaling and sell out. Seal out. And ask if I'm in there for my chapaling. Because people is looking for chapaling. Service? You have chapaling? No. Done. Flashlight? Nothing. Everything done. You see that? No chapaling. Everywhere in Seaview, you can't get none. Even on the road, everything sell out. Everything sell out. Right here is the problem road. But I saw a video go out.
Yeah.
So guys, so this is the gully. It's okay for now, but I'm telling you, whenever the rain starts to fall, this is gonna come right over. You know, so look at all this stuff and everything that's in here. So everything we see is coming all the way from uptown. Yeah. Up at the higher part of town. You know, nothing don't come from downtown. These things coming from uptown. So you see later on from now, this is gonna be over flooded. The whole of these road here, so is gonna like full with water, literally go up to that side there. You know, so the next side of the gully. So this is the before, but them should have cleaned out the gully at least, cause them know what's coming. You know, so look at this. You tell me this now. Them should literally do better, cause them know what's gonna happen, cause all of this now is gonna get black. All of this. So this is the weather watch morning. You know, so you know what's gonna happen a couple of hours from now. Sky rainy. So in here you might see 1 and 2 alligators. The crocodile pan this, you know. This is the crocodile pond. So usually you see them floating. I hope no one come knock my door. Say good morning. So as you can see, everywhere is kind of calm now. You know, birds still flying. How come birds still about? Normally birds that are gone already can't find them safe spot. You know, usually the birds are gone. Do you ever see a bird wash away in a storm? Bird always know where to go. You know. Yeah. They can feel the breeze garling. You can feel the breeze, but trust me, it's not gonna be pretty. Eh? Oh, but at least them try to clean out this side, so the work never. The whole of this are broke away. Yeah. So imagine this like this. Look at water. Look.
You know where your son go now? Where your son go broke anyhow?
Yeah.
Swear.
So them try to clear out over here, so. Look on the garlings. That's it. Look at this.
That's a come down here, up, finish farm back there.
See, look at this already, and the rain now fall heavy. Look at this, guys. Look at this already, yeah. And the rain is not even that intensify as yet, you know. So imagine when that reach couple of hours from now. Look, this already black already. Look, it's full up already. So the little clean with them clean. Listen, sea view is gonna be a mess after this pass. I'm telling you. This road where you see now, when you see it after, it's gonna be a mess. One hell of a mess. Watch, look at that washing machine coming down. Yeah, look at the washing machine coming down. Oh Lord. This is the swamp. So one piece of washing machine that take its time to come down.
And a washing machine a chopper come.
Chopper come. This is gonna be it, boy. So guys, you know, so look, the whole stretch, no cars, no incoming traffic anywhere at all, you know. So this road leads all the way to Spanish Town Road. You know, this one is the due back road. But look at it, not even one vehicle. Are we alone out? So guys, are we alone a button down? Yeah, are we alone a button down? Are we alone, have no shelter? See it get rougher and rougher there. It's getting rougher and rougher. Trouble. All them bees box there, all bees are get liquid tonight. The poor little bees them are gonna get to tonight when the breeze come liquid them box here. Look here, the man never secure them properly, man. But all of these bees. This is the bees them, here bees box. All of them gonna get liquid later. So this is the sea view weather watch. Right now the rescue team is out. And as you can see, there's nothing yet to rescue. Only a dog at loose. Yeah. The stoplights, the lights are off. Place is clear. The most vehicle you can see on the road now is taxi. Hey, the most vehicle you can always see on the road is taxi. They never stop running. One and move. 2 and ready. See there. They never stop. Once a year, I'm gonna go and drive and see if I see anybody outside loose. I go see you. I tell you boy, when that storm reach. This is gonna rise up. Everything gonna rise. The whole of you say, I can't see no road right just at all. All of this black red dash way. Block off. I hope this not lose it. Because if the breeze ever take this, what's that, greenhouse?
Yeah.
Even tell them when the breeze ever go under this, everything. Watch again, look. What a taxi. What me tell you say? One cocoa. Another taxi rolling out there, so. That's the most vehicle you're gonna see on the road is a taxi. Taxi. Of course, David, I got lock. What are you gonna do? Jump the fence? Jump the fence, you might go jump. Yeah, you see, have a jump it, you know, you can slide through here, so. Slide through. Leader, slide through here, so. See if I got stuck. Slide through, leader, have to slide through there, so. Alright, so this is a mango morning. What? On the drop. Dead black. One mango that. Early morning mango. Mango, we are hunt you. But listen about could I walk around and never have to jump the fence. You could have walked right through here, so. You climb the tree. Mind lightning strike, you know. Mind the lightning strike. Oh. And climbing. Rich. Rich. Guys, this is a mango hunt in the morning here. It was no cigar. Yeah, where you want to stick? You want to stick? Yeah, shake it. Yo. You want a stick, man? Them one not easy for drop. Dead black. It's a weather watch morning. I lead the night tree. In that run. Yo, we'll start the mango looting. Sure. Hey, mango looting. Ah, hold on. Oh, you don't want to. Say hold on a while, like a brother. Alright, come again. Yeah. Mango looting, stop the shoot. Yeah, I force me to eat one, you know. I never know I say it bad. I gotta prepare for the weather. Any weather. Yeah. Yeah. So me used to play cricket, I can catch. How is that? Yo, pocket them full. There, oh, you have a bag. Look, man, gotcha. Taxi. Right now in the rain, only taxi I see. Taxi man said, nah, go in. Guys, imagine at first I try the mango in England. Sweet. Well, the rich is getting richer. And taxi is running.
Anyone who wants to be there for now.
Taxi, taxi. Road. Ah, General.
My boy, that's the Sunday again?
Yeah, Sunday again very much.
If the rain come back down.
Well, if the rain, the rain supposed to pass, so at the damage we're going to left after.
Alright then.
And that's what I have to worry about now. You see me say, yeah man, so Sunday again man, respect
yeah,
you
man.
know.
Bless up.
So there you go and mango watching at the weather watch, you know.
Ah, bro.
Do it, we are doing. Leader, as a mango thief, you're supposed to jump the fence more quicker than that. They get caught moving too slow. You leave the evidence far away from you. Look how far you leave the evidence. Away so you come over south. You jump the fence south and you have to go for the back down and west. Yeah, I don't understand that one there. Either with one bag of what is it? That one have a black mango?
All board, black key.
Mixed Oh, the one have black.
Some chicks and biscuit in there.
So this one have black key. When the rain fall, and the breeze a blow. A mango we are gonna eat and full ya know. Loot mango. How can I top one of me give me?
That's the only one time I saw the mango. See why you go along tonight?
And them tough, wait there, that's some tough on the kick man. I imagine that one of them just take out the leader bag.
Yeah, come on,
Good life. Yeah.
Good
you
life.
can buy some pan corner.
Where that time?
Pay up on the corner.
Bad, yeah, bad. Good life. Yeah.
Dragon?
Yeah, pan corner.
Dragon show up on the corner.
Mango and dragon pan the corner.
Mango and dragon on the corner.
Me I look out you.
For Beryl.
Not a fresh man.
No, I'll lead the bag them in now.
Why you black it?
Yeah.
I know black your feet, man. I right mango your feet, the morning.
And the mixed mango and the right mango.
Mix mango the right.
You don't need a leader to rasta that one, I say mango. Bad.
You can't do some American and run up sour cow and mango.
You can't outside. You can't do none of this.
If I one tree.
Different way this mango you
Road show. I need to cook something in this rain. To the shop empty. Alright. Babe, you have sliced fish? Yeah. Oh. Yeah, give me 3 pounds, please. 3 pounds for the weather. Skeleton time too, please. Why we sell out of chapalin?
Yes, the only for 150 chapalin them give away. But why let's say?
Lie. 150 left. That come like none because I don't want people you chapalin them run out for that. As them quick. Popsy! Cola. Yeah. Rain. They know it's not the rain, we need some rain food. So you know the rain food, I'm getting this a sliced fish, you know, and slice that well hard. Curry down. Curry it down and hurry it down. Oh, go on, man. You have to give face in the red eye right now. Let them know the weather what we are face right now.
Yeah, man, no joke about it, man.
No joke.
Everything fully active, like how the weather fully active.
Yeah.
Beryl, them say reach. We don't want she reach, just tell her turn back and go where she come from. You see it? Because we not up in a disaster right now. I know about them theater.
Yeah.
One time.
One bad MC.
Fully active.
You know the thing goes already. But Beryl, the man don't want to reach right now in the street. You see me I say, take a U-turn and go back in the sea. Is it? See you people know how you do it. Wow. Rich. Eh?
3 pounds?
Yeah, it's like, you want me to take 5 pounds. Alright guys, so you know what I say. I'm gonna cook some rainy food right now. I'm gonna cook some rainy food, you know, and I'm gonna keep you guys posted. So stay tuned to see what happens next. Okay, you know, next, hey, everything changes next. Everything is gonna change next. So the next time you see it, everything's gonna change. So stay tuned for that one, alright? Stay tuned. breeze is coming. Hey. Ridge. Sit there. Yo. Rip. Warning. Out, you know? Yeah, go on circle. Man, them batten the dog. All cars batten the dog. And then make sure. Bag, I want to you. Oh, it's food. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, I would. Yeah, sure. Yeah. Boy, if me have some of that yesterday, me that use for my car. Oh, I go on this stuff. I see some of that big. Jamaica. I see some. I don't know if I get out of school. Yo, Jamaican man, I think sweet up in the rain. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, so man, I think sweet up in the rain. And I stand, man, I think sweet. Yeah, it breeze a blow too much, man. What's all that tree that blew down already? Blew off. Yeah. And the loose. Look at this already. Judgment. Like some blowing and go on in there, some man. Yeah. See there? See it? Already. Yeah. Yeah. No. Yeah. Real bones. Yeah. So the mice when they put cardboard alone, what happen? Cardboard gone. Cardboard. Yeah, blow off. Yeah, yeah. It's just getting some of the rain. Getting some of the rain.
It's fun, you know.
Yeah. Them say Jamaica is not an easy place. We don't take nothing serious. Nothing serious. Yes, France. Remember you have to see at the back. Yeah, post a while ago. Yeah, out on the main. Right in the head. Yeah, we're in a thing. In this storm, Berlin with us, I kick up the storm. Yeah, storm patrol. Yeah. Now the storm patrol, Roger Black.
One.
What you say? Rum? And that's it, let's go. I go and hold it, no. I go and roll up here, sir. We are patrol right now. We are the neighborhood watch, looking out for all burglars. We have the bodyguard. Everybody alright? Everybody alright? We have the patrol. Right now we're out in this time. Hey, now you say 1 tree gone? Alright, cartel. Cartel, the storm start well. Cartel. No, whoa. Look there. Guys, look at this. Root out. That one a root out. Damn. This root right out. Root out. On top of this. And this is where I was just picking mangoes. Look now. Eh? I don't want no kind care want come out. Yeah, 2 of them. 2 of them, brother. Yeah, man, a piece of breeze pass, man. Watch out. 2 of them. You know the. Yeah. Oh yeah, that one I'm here. Nobody can laugh. I'm here live, as you can see. Yeah. A piece of pearl, I don't even know where name, but I bring you. Yeah. What damage, yeah? This is it. It's no joke. Last year I'm going to move him car, because remember this is nothing, you know. The wicked part of cover reach it, you know.
Ready to move this, remove it, you know.
You know me tell you, man? Yo, the wicked part not reach yet. No. You know? Exactly. Yeah. Electrical wire. Underground, you know, so I go on. Electrical wire, the underground. Hey. And the car, the under here, so laughy. Sure. It is serious. Yo, it is serious.
Oh, that's all. When the money go loot out, I feel me see my father go down a charge.
Yeah. Income blocks, you never secure the tree. You're supposed to secure the tree and make the tree blow down. Eh? Nobody could have saved it. Nobody could have saved it.
Only the tree understanding.
Only the root understanding. Nobody could have saved it.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kyria Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.